My name is Jake. I'm the owner of Ridgeline Well and Pump here in North Carolina. We come out to houses, we check on systems that are supplying water to homes. Anything that's not working, we diagnose and replace for the homeowner. When I was younger, I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I wanted to make a career out of the military. Had an unfortunate incident where I was in a car accident. I had to learn how to walk again. Got back on my feet in 2017, and beginning of 2018, my well pump went out. I thought to myself, I used to reverse engineer explosives. I can figure this out. Unfortunately, about 5 months later, my DIY project just failed flat on its face. I did what every other homeowner does. I resorted to Google. Same guy kept popping up. So eventually I gave him a call. He ended up offering me a job, and that's how I fell into this trade. Every point in any licensed well contractor's career path, they figure out if they're gonna be a career company man or if they're gonna do their own thing. I decided that I wanted to take that step, so we moved forward and opened Ridgeline. In June 23, we started Ridgeline with about $15,000 in liquid funds and a little bit more in equipment, and we fired up and started rolling. Inside of a small business, in order to function, you have to have some level of cash flow. When we started out, that's all we started out with, the money we had from each job, and we would put money from that job towards the next one and so on and so forth. And when we went to traditional financial institutions, the banks looking for funds, they didn't want to back us because I don't have a credit score. I learned in short order that the only thing worse than bad credit is not having any credit at all. So when we saw the capital offer coming, it was perfect timing. We were currently at a job site. We ended up getting the offer, and then we were expanding at the time, so we purchased a truck. That truck's currently sitting behind us now on a job site. With the capital offer, the growth, and the discipline, we can get to a point to where we're recognized as an established company in the state. We're coming up on 2 years in. We're growing as fast as we can. We're always looking to expand, always looking to grow and make the family bigger.